Tell me about yourself. Before applying for the job, I ensure I read through the job description for the position and I am positive and I can bring to you the required skills as well as contribution to your team. Here I am, highly communicative, and if I get a brief of what I expected of me, I will deliver my tasks as I required. I am also one of those people who will never fail of attend training, seminars, and other developmental sessions to ensure that my skills and knowledge are still relevant and can be of help. Why did you choose your major? I chose this course because I found out in internet that it only works at the company to the hire an applicant and it would not make you tired to work. Why do you want to work here? I also want this job because it is with your company. Employment history is quite satisfactory. You have a great record of accomplishment and I am sure I can establish long relationship with this company. I desire this position as my academic training will be applicable to this kind of employment. And as such, I can be productive if given an opportunity. Why should we hire you? There are two reasons why I believe I should start. I do not have to set notions regarding workplace so that you can transform me into a brilliant. The second thing that make you hire me is my intention to have a long-term employment here. You should hire me because I am very positive and I believe this positivity and determination will influence the other people in my team. How do you handle failure? Failure is a situation has to learn how to cope with any aspects of life, whether it is personal or career related. After realizing failure, it is important to admit it, accept the mistakes which were made and try to find out the lesson to prevent such failures in the future. Staying motivated is important and one should approach things with a positive mindset, especially in the light of failure. One of the most effective approaches to coping with failure therefore strength process, modifying plan, and having proper expectations. People should remain perceptive to failure and learn how to accept it with dignity, and involve other people who they trust help them through the failure. What is the professional achievement you're most proud of? One of the professional achievements that I am most proud of is successfully leading a cross-functional team to implement a new project management system with our organization. On this achievement by leadership skills and project management capabilities. Tell me about at a time when you had to manage conflict. Share an example of how you dealt with this situation. In a team project, I resolved a conflict between two team members with opposing design view for marketing campaign. I facilitated a constructive meeting where they share their perspective, combining idea, and reach consensus on a unified strategy. Do you have any questions for us? Can you share more about the company's long-term goals and vision?